5 data engineering hacks for beginners. 1. Start with SQL. SQL is the real MVP of data engineering. Master filtering, joins, and window functions. You'll use them every day. 2. Learn Git Early. Version control isn't just for coders. Track your ETL scripts, collaborate safely, and avoid breaking production. 3. Always log everything. Add logs to your pipelines from day one. Debugging without logs is like finding a needle in a data lake. 4. Go cloud native, learn a cloud platform. AWS, GCP, or Azure. Play with tools like BigQuery, Redshift, or Dataflow early on. They scale way better than your laptop. 5. Think in DAGs, not scripts. Understand how tools like Airflow or Prefect structure tasks. Build modular, reusable pipelines, not giant spaghetti scripts. Subscribe to Cloudflow Labs for more things data engineering.